You're watching How Leap. Let's create a habit tracker in Notion. Start a new page or open an existing one. Type and create a table inline. Name your table like daily habits. Add properties. First, a title property for the habit names. Then add a checkbox property for each day of the week, like Monday, Tuesday, etc. You can also use a single date property and a checkbox to log entries over time. For a weekly view, create a gallery view and group by week. To visualize progress, add a formula property. Use a formula like if prop Monday 1 0 plus if prop Tuesday 1 0 and so on to some checked days. Format the number as you like. For a simpler list, use a to-do list and duplicate it for each day. Use the template button feature. Type template and create a button that inserts a fresh set of checkboxes for each day. You can also link your tracker to a calendar database for a timeline view. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.